I guess we're gonna be looking for trades here. I was originally looking for longs when I was up here, but this looking like we might go after low day at the very least. Because the idea is, if the candle's gonna be bullish, more times than not, the low is already established before 9 a.m. I mean before the a.m. session in New York. So this is looking like this might close bearish. Yeah, we're gonna take this out and eventually take this out. I'm gonna try to participate in the taking of this one, but I just don't see an entry. The bet, for this trade here, you could have caught it when this happened, but you gotta have a lot of conviction to take that. Which I mean, it made a lot of sense though. We were under 15 and shit. They did that manipulation. I was tempted on getting in like when price was like right here, but like I said, at that point in time, this would have been just my like overall TP because I did not expect it to go this much. Okay, there it is. There's our entry. Kind of missed it, but that's the entry. It's clear they're going after something. Okay, I don't want this candle to form bullish. Yeah. Okay, come on. Now I'll wait for the 5 minute to close. I want to see how this 5 minute looks. Well, really, the stop should be above here. A little bit bigger than how much I should be risking, but it's not that much bigger than how it should be. It's kind of shitty ass risk to reward, not gonna lie. So that, like I said, I kind of did miss that. Might add some more if we get a closure below. Don't like the way this is moving. Still got 2 minutes to this 5 minute candle. You see this? Okay, this candle can't form bullish. If this forms bullish, we're out. Okay, we should be good here. I'm not gonna add more. I can't find the right opportunity. Okay. Yeah, it's a quick one. Because I don't think I'm gonna be able to find another trade here, to be honest. These type of trades are kind of like high risk, but I'm cool with taking these type of trades only when we're so close to the target. And at this point, it was so obvious where price was going. Like I said, I mean, you guys can back this as I've seen this multiple times. I mean, I already knew about this, but I forgot about it. But now I'm like, I'm starting to utilize it again, which has really helped me a lot with bias. Because what I was having problems with, is like like more times than not. Like honestly, almost all the fucking time, to be honest, bro. Like I'm just being like real. It's like I'm always right about the move. It's just that I be second guessing a lot. Like I be flipping my fucking direction like almost all the time, which is what fucks me. Cause at the time, let's say I'm in a trade, right, and then price is close to stopping me out, I would take it off. At the time it would be like, oh, it's not that much. It's like a small loss. But no, man, like that shit adds up so much. That, that's what was destroying me. I was like, oh fuck, I can't be doing this shit. So with with this, like, with this thing, I'm gonna just call it thing for now because I'm gonna explain it. With this thing, it helps me be more confident with the positions I'm in. Like with that one, see, because that's at this point, look at where the fuck we're at. We're all the way up here, right? And when we're down here, this was still okay for price to run up here and not touch the low of day so far. So, and then we got this massive sell off. I was like, okay, then we're so close. Look at look at how price is reacting. Took low of day so far because it's the low day now. Then look at that. I don't think it's gonna reverse and go all the way back up there. It is possible. It's possible, but I don't know. At this point, maybe they want to like run it here, or even take these out, run it here, and then just probably just fuck around until the until next day. Basically, if you have, if okay, let's say today's daily candle is bearish because it's looking pretty bearish now. If today's daily candle is bearish, the high of day should already be established before AM session. Rarely they will make a new. We're talking about bearish, right? Rarely they will make a new high, and then create bearish during New York, like AM. But very very rarely they're gonna make a new high in the afternoon. So I mean, look at where we at. We have low of day here, so that's why I took that shit. And like, I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. There's the SMT right there. As soon as I saw that, and we're so close to the target, I was like, yeah, no, I'm taking that trade. Pretty risky, but it was still a very valid trade. But very rarely, like I said, price is gonna make a new higher low of day during the afternoon only and only. I've only seen this happen during this event, which was yesterday. It's FOMC. Look at this shit. Look at the low of this and compare it to this and this. Okay. So, okay, this kind of don't make sense because this is the one. So this is the low of day for this kind of low. Is it low skew? No. For the 27th. This candle here. That's the low day. Look at what time it is. Pretty much midnight. But the low day yesterday was 4 o'clock. And what was it yesterday? FOMC. FOMC happens in the afternoon. And from my back testing, the only times I ever seen price make a new low day, where we're talking about bullish candles here, is during FOMC. So, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna upload this yet. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I made a video yesterday. I was taking a trade. It was really shitty yesterday. I took a really small loss, but I was shorting this. Like, it literally did exactly what the fuck I said it was gonna do. Because we had a shallow run here. We took this out. This is the external. Because this was the range here. External high, external low. Took that out. I was like, this run is too shallow. And then the 4-hour candle formed like this. Because at one point I was still bullish. I was like, you know what? This don't look bullish to me at this point. Shallow ass run. This a big ass wick. So I was like, okay, we could probably take this out. Yeah, we could probably take this out. And at this point, I was already thinking, yeah, we're gonna close bearish, but I forgot about FOMC at that point. And as you can see, price did exactly what I said it was gonna do. Take it out. But then, with the FOMC, then, there was more likelihood it was gonna close bullish because I was still overall bullish, like for the higher time frame. Literally, it did exactly what I said it's gonna do. Tapped into the order block right there, and boom, just sent that bitch higher, man. I was like, damn, that's crazy. Oh yeah, we haven't looked at this candle. What date is this candle? The 26th. Look at the 26th candle. Oh, we got it right here. Look, literally, the low is the open. The same shit here. The low is the open, and it just never came back to it. It's not the best. I wouldn't call it strategy. It's just something that just take note of to just really just help you with bias. Really, to be honest, that's all. That's all what this whole thing is. It just helps with bias. I mean, I can see another short opportunity here. The SMT going here. Try to get back in here. You didn't. That's if I can get a fill. I don't really like that 1-to-1 though. And this is kind of high risk, high resistance for me now. Because we already ran down so much. With full force. And this whole thing is a fucking order block. So I don't know if I want to be fighting that. It's the best. What was that? So this will be the best TP areas, but I'm not too confident with it. Because like I said, we've just been running down lower and lower. And this is kind of high resistance at this point. Yeah, nice 1-to-3. Or I can just target like a number. The 440s, 450. Yeah, I could do that, but should I take this? Because we just took out low day. So this thing can just continue going lower and lower. But I don't know, man, at this point. Yeah, we just been running so low, man. I'm going to take it on this bullshit account.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Oh, we could target. Yeah, dang, that's a really bad risk to reward. It's not even a 1-to-2. If we had a clear, like, swing low target here, I mean, obviously we do with this low, but like I said, it's high resistance. If we had a clear one, then yeah, I would take this trade any fucking day. This is a very beautiful setup. But like I said, man, the target is a high resistance. Who's to say price isn't just gonna come back all the way up here with this big ass fucking area and then just drop back down? It's very likely it's gonna do that. Like I said, the setup itself is beautiful. It's a beautiful setup. I would take this shit any fucking day.
Order filled. Rejected.
But just not in this context, not in this condition, because it's not the best right now. It's not the best. Yeah, we're tapping into this fucking order block inversion. A lot of shit down here. There's just a lot of shit here, man, that is gonna make it difficult for price to run, especially because we've just been running ever since 9:30. So, yeah, honestly, you could try to play for the retracement here, but still, I'm gonna need to see big displacement moves above here. Then at that point in time, we're probably gonna hit these areas. I mean, let's just say, we try to long here. Stops, let's just say just below that inversion. Just looking for the risk to see. It's not even worth it because I'm not expecting price to take this out. I mean, it could, but I'm not expecting it to do so. 10 o'clock just opened. Oh, it been opened. That's 10. Let me take this off. I can't see properly. Okay, at the very least, we should be able to see price take that low. Try to take like a really quick 21 points for this, like a 1-to-1, man. Yeah, if we're gonna make a retracement, we need to see price make an SMT. I mean, we do have an SMT with this low already. Yeah, that in itself is an SMT. I can definitely see something here. Nice to have SMT so far. The target here stops 40. It's only 40 points. Okay, I want to see price invert this and then revert back to it. Yeah, that high is not intact anymore. That's some SMT with the lows. Nah, man, we're just too close to it now.
Order filled.
We got an extra. Should be able to take that low. It's pretty high risk. Yeah, should be able to take that low, bro. Just look at that 5 minute. High risk, but you know, we got a little bit of cushion here from that small trade earlier. As soon as they take that low, we should be good to go. It's just, they're probably, okay, beautiful. Yeah, we're done for the day. Definitely done for the day, man. Cause I don't think I'll be able to see another one here. Still don't look that good. I mean, it looks. Yeah, we're probably gonna get like. I don't want to keep predicting. But no, that's it, man. Beautiful day, beautiful trade. I'm done.